And uncle I have never met. He passed away. After that we got married. So I haven't seen him, but I heard about him. And today's testimony, proves that what sort of impact he has put across in everybody's life. That's the profound beauty of being a teacher or a guider for the students. So I would like to wish the teachers, you are the face of the student. They are looking at you. They are what will be becoming tomorrow. How the way you've been treating them today and how you've been teaching them. So with that, I would also like to thank all my Odhras who made this foundation continue. I thought it got dropped out during COVID, but they bounced back and made it more beautiful, and the memories continued, or else this wouldn't have not happened. So lastly, I want to thank Dorothy Aunty for giving an impact to all the students for the years, and may this legacy continues, and the upcoming teachers or continued teachers also will see the same glorification in your future. Students will be coming to you and also saying, how blessed they are having you as the teachers. So wish you all good luck and keep continuing the good work and keep shining. Yeah, thank you so much.
Ready, look here.